there everybody, this is Jeanette with Inspirational Design. I have a haul here today that I'd like to share with y'all here in my kitchen at my center island. And I went to a vintage market in Ringgold, and a friend and I did. We went together, and I bought a few things. It's not a big haul, but I thought I would like to share it with y'all if you would like to see. And at the end of the video, I'll have some clips of where I went, and you guys can see that as well. So let's get started. We're going to start with the chalkboards. Yeah, I found 2 more chalkboards. I like chalkboards. One day, I like to have me a wall full of chalkboards. You can draw on them. You can do anything you want. You can even let your grandbabies do some pictures and leave them up for a while, and then, seasonal, just have a blast. So that's why I figured one day I'll have a wall full of chalkboards. So that's an idea if you guys like chalkboards as well. So let's get started with a haul. Oh, also stay to the end because I have my best item at the end. Yeah, I know. It's a quick one, so I'm not going to bore you to death. So let's get started. Here is a big medium-sized chalkboard. I purchased that, and I really like it. And it has, a holder there on it. You can put the chalk and the eraser. That's why I really like that. And I know it's green. If I wanted to paint it black, I could. I could paint it black. But I thought the green would work for Christmas and work it in with the other one that I have in my dining room. And I hope that you guys wait to see that video. My Christmas decor. So that's really nice. I got this on sale for 15% off. I'm not sure of the amount of it, but $20-something, so 15% off I think it was. So I like that. And here's a small one, which I use this one in my pantry already, and I lean it against with the other chalkboards. There's one about this size right here in it, and then I drew the little flower on it. So that's why I did that, you guys, because it looks pretty leaning in there, with all of the chalkboards. And I have my little scarecrow with, the candy I put in it. I have that also in the area with it. So it looks cute. Anyways, that's enough on the chalkboards. Now, I got here a frame. Yeah, let me frame myself. Hello, here's my frame, you guys. You like the frame? And it is glaring. You can see my phone there. But anyways, I like this frame. It's old, and I'm going to make it into a mirror by spraying the mirror spray paint on this and make it look really old. Or you could use this in different ways. A tray. I thought it was a tray one time because it has the 2 holes, on both ends. I mean, there's a lot you can do with it. So, anyways, I'm going to let you see that video as well when I make this up. Okay. Now, I have here this is a good find as well. They're all good finds, but the best one is at the last. But this is a good lamp, as you can see. Here's the top of it. It's got the round little metal. That's the original metal look. And I spray painted. It was blue, but I spray painted it this gold color. It's a light shade. I spray painted that. And this is the real metal here, and the real metal here, and the real metal there. I taped it up, and I spray painted all that because it was blue. So I am going to get some rub and buff and kind of make it a little more, darker in the gold, the antique gold, rub and buff. And I added this globe to it. I think back in the day it has the long globes, and then they had a lamp shade on over the globes. So I think that's what this was done. Victorian days, I'm not for sure, but it might have been a real old lamp. I don't know. If you all know anything about it, let me know. I'd appreciate it. Talk to me a little bit, and I like to hear about it. All right, I'm going to put it on down here. Over here, I'm going to set it on the chalkboard. Now, I found me a crop as well. I love crops. I got this at a good deal, $35, and I think it was 15% off in that booth. Yeah, I think it was, and I grabbed it. So I spent 30 something dollars on this. It was 35, so I spent like, you know, up in the 30s, or, you know, like, I don't know. You guys might know what that percentage is better than me. So anyways, here's the bottom half of it, and I'd have to use a calculator, and here's the inside of it. So I really like that as well, and I had to get that to go with my collection. And especially when you find them at good prices, right? You like to pick them up. All right, now I like this item here as well. I'm going to pull it over here. I've never seen nothing like it. It is the cutest little thing I've ever seen. I've already put some water and flowers, cut me some flowers out from outside. And here's the top of it. Little butterfly. And it's like a little copper, it's a metal, and they burnt, you know, to weld it together. It kind of made it brown there. And at the bottom of the vase, it has this little wooden bottom to it. And I just love that, you guys. I really do. I hang it up there above my stove. It's really pretty to look at. Okay, so that's why that I purchased it. It was different, and I got it at a good deal as well. I think the percentage in that booth was 10%, so I picked that up. Now let me show you my favorite find of that day. Okay, now I've been looking for one of these for quite a while, sometime, you know, thinking, where would I find it? Where would I find it? And you can find them in the plastics. They're dated back to the 60s, where everybody just loved the 60 looks, right? Look of things, of designing. Well, I like it. I got it in my bedroom a little bit. I got the bed frame that's dated back to the 60s, and a dresser I found at the Habitat. You'll be seeing that video in my number 3 house tour. So I want to show you. Oh, I am so excited, you guys. I love this. It's a clock. Isn't that cute as it can be? See the numbers on that? There you go. You can also see me through that too. See the glare? Oh my goodness. Them glares are hard to keep out sometimes, aren't they? But anyways, this is Let It Model for you. Oh, we'll turn her around real pretty. Look at that, you guys. See that? Now, the reason why it's not working right now is because of the cord. You know, it's got some gaps out in it, and it won't work, and I would never plug up something like that. Always remember, these older cords, you need a new electrical cord, and I will have one placed for it, you know, and it is really pretty. Look at that. See there? So, that's my favorite of that day. And I was excited because it just sits right in my room. I love the golds, textures, and things, you know. So anyways, I hope that you guys like this short video that I did for you. And also, at the end of this video, I am going to show you some clips that you can enjoy on your way out of the video. And I have a friend to tell you bye. She's sitting there at her booth, and she'll just be waving at you and smiling, and she's a pretty lady. So I hope that you guys have a good day, and I will be, you know, putting up videos ever so often like this, and I hope that you guys will let me know that you enjoy them and give me thumbs up and leave me some comments. I really would love that. But most of all, I would love when you share to your friends, and you guys have a blessed day, okay? And we'll be talking to you later. See you. Bye.